In this video we will understand the assembly, like just go to the new and here it is part assembly and drawing. Just click the assembly and OK. And what is assembly? Assembly actually the combination to combine to add two or more than two models together. Okay, so once you open the assembly it will ask, okay, so where, okay, so assembly, you can see the assembly interface is open. Here the first page, here you can see the begin assembly, create layout and open documents. Okay, browse, and where is the documents, you can browse and then put it here. Okay, import it here. So there must be the different models, that's then only we can assemble it. Okay, so now here I want to tell you the online you can download some models and practice it, even if you don't want to design here. Okay, so if you know the design, how to design and how to design different kind of parts, then you can easily to design the part and save it. Okay, and then you can easily to import here. But in this video the very important that I want to teach you how to download the free CAD model from the internet free of cost, and then you can use whatever you want. So here is the first website, like 3D Content Central. Here you can easy to download, there are so many different models are there, and you can easy to, even you can search here, like I want to search assembly part and just click OK. So there are so many SolidWorks part reviewer, and there are so many parts are there, you can easy to download from here. Okay, the second one is GrabCAD. GrabCAD is really famous for 3D printing and some other works, and here it is, you can find whatever you want to find. I've just searched SolidWorks assembly, and here you can see so many assembly parts are there, you can easy to see. Okay, flying coupling, here it is, the 4 different models are there, right? And here you will see the download files. Once you click the download files, here you have to create the account free of cost, that's not the problems. And once you click the download files, and it is easy, you can have the download files here, SolidWorks. Okay, and some other CAD models also here. And the third one is MC Master Car. Here you have the lot of different materials are here, you can see so many models are there. See, and here is some download option you will find. Add to order options are there. Actually many of the different parts are free of cost, you can easy to download from here also. The fourth one is you will have the 3D CAD browser, and in 3D CAD browser you will find the different models are there, free with uploads, and some conditions are there. And then there are 3D Max AutoCAD files, so see different files are there offering. Okay, you have to select, you can select the SolidWorks files, and here you can find the so many SolidWorks files are there. See, here is the step file actually, okay, and this step file is compatible with SolidWorks file. You can use this file easy. The fifth one is here you can see the different path is still here, so many parts. We have to see, here are so many different parts, CAD models are there, so you can easy to select which one do you want and easy to download. Here it is the option, and again he will ask some username, password, okay, and then after then you can easily download from here. The last here you can see the different models are here, and so many interesting models are there, okay, you can easily to download from here also. 3D model details are there, and you can find some SolidWorks file here also, okay, by using searching. And the free 3D, this one, the another website, and you will have the different 3D models are here, okay. The last one is you can see here the 1 to 3 free 3D models, okay, so you will have so many different models are here and you can download from here also. So they are, again, you can search on Google's SolidWorks file free download, and you can easy to download from the internet, okay. And among them different, you can see different models are here. So one of them I want to download, and then I will just import it here. Okay, here it is the assembly, and then finally I have imported the models from the Google internet, and here is the, you can see the flange, nut and bolts, okay. Let's try to assemble these things, okay. So how to import part in assembly? So there are the way, like insert component, you can see insert components, and actually this part is already open in the SolidWorks, that's why it is automatic, it is showing here, okay. If it would not show, then here is the option browse, and then you can easy to just select and open, it will automatically, it will come here. So once it will show here, just click this and drag here automatically without click any mouse button. Just hover the mouse on the screen display, and then here you can easy to hover. So first, if you want to import here, so first of all you have to import the base file, okay. Always remember, you have to import first the base file, after then you have to import the remaining sub parts. So I know the base file, this is the base file, this is the first part, and after then I will add the nut bolt on this part. So just select and click here, the left click, and you can see this part is automatically selected here, okay. Now I want to show you one thing. So here you can see the in bracket, here is the mention F, it means it is fixed, okay. And if you want to see this origin and this origin, two origin is connected and coincident, okay, and these two, by using these two origin, this model is fixed. And actually this is my first imported part on the display, that's why it is fixed and it is the base part. After then I have to select remaining parts. So how to select? You just go to the insert component, and here is the remaining like bolt, okay. Just select the bolt and just drag the mouse, move the mouse on the display, and just click the left mouse button, and here it is the another bolt, and just click insert component again, and just click the nut and click here, okay. So finally I have already I have already imported all parts here, and here you can see the bolt and nut part. Here is the minus, okay, a small dash in bracket is there. It means it is not fixed, or it is not fully defined. Why it is not fully defined? I have to define with the main part, with the basic parts, okay. And you can see mouse middle button I have to rotate like this, okay. Once you click any component with the mouse left button, you can just drag up, down, but wherever you want. Just select this one, and once you click the mouse middle button, if you want to rotate, if you want to just click and try to rotate the mouse, so whole body will be rotate, everything will be rotate, okay. But if you select the mouse left button, okay, and mouse left, and select the components and keep pressing the mouse left button and try to hover, try to rotate the mouse, it will rotate like this, it will rotate like this. But this is my base, so you cannot rotate like this, okay. You cannot rotate this flange body because it is fixed, okay. You can see here. So this is the way to import the parts. The another ways I want to show you, I want to delete this whole everything's here. Just select and right click and delete it. I have deleted. The another way, just go to the window, and here is the option tile horizontally. Once you click the tile horizontally, remaining SolidWorks page will be show here. This is my assembly part. Here you can see the SASSEM1, okay. This is the by default, the name is there mentions, okay. And this is the different parts are there, okay. Here is nothing, so just click the mouse left button and control, okay, control and left, and click here in the assembly part, and you can see I have just drag and move to the assembly part and just leave it, so automatically it will be here, okay. You can already import here. Again, just click and drag to the assembly page, no need to use control button, okay. Again, just click and drag to the assembly interface, that's it. And no need to close this one, just make it, this one is bigger like this, okay. Automatically all will be hide. Now this is the second way to import the parts, okay. Now you can see, again you can see the rotate like this, mouse left button, everything, so you can do whatever. And again you can see, because first I have selected this model flange, that's why it is already fixed, okay. Which one you have to select the first, it will automatically fixed, okay. So try always, okay, make sure that the base model, the main model should be select first, okay. After then you can select the sub parts. So this is the way to select the parts, okay. Now this is the way to import, okay. Import in the assembly part. Here you can see the remaining, this is the by default assembly name, history, sensor, intonation, that is no need to use these things, okay. Front plane, right planes are there, origins are there as usual, and the part I have mentioned, I have imported here. You can see the down here is the mat. What is mats? Let's understand about the mats. Mats is actually the relationship in assembly to give the relation between two or three components, two or three model, okay. Here you can see the mat also here, okay. See, if you hover here, you can see how, means you can, by using relationship, you can just combine two or three models, okay. And here you can see, just select this and you can move this file here or there, wherever you want to, okay. Second one is, just click this one, right click, and here you will find move with ride. Just click this one and here you will option to move with tride. Okay, which direction you want to move, because this is my bolt, so I want to just click this one and see I want to move downward because I want to use like this. Okay, and just click outside, the tripod will be automatically delete, and just click again, and here is you will see the move with tride. Again you will just click and try to align it like this. Okay, even you won't align, it doesn't matter, because I will show you the mates, how mates it works. Okay, so now I want to click. So whenever you want to use the mates, be sure that you are going to give the relation between the main model and the remaining sub parts. Okay, so you know how you are going to give the mate system, how you are going to apply the mates. It is depends on you. There are so many ways to apply. Okay, which one you want to try, and you have to give the at least 3 relation so that it will be all fully defined. So I want to select this. Okay, and I want to select control plus this surface, and once you select those two, you will have the two, you will have this message will be appear, and here you will see coincidence, parallel, perpendicular, so many options are there. So you have to understand, okay, what is coincidence, parallel. So in this, with bolt and this surface, I think it is suitable with coincidence, because I want to coincidence these two. See, once you coincidence, here it is. See, it is already coincidence like here, right? Now it should be here on this hole. Okay, so how to give? So just click this cylindrical, this part, and control this part. Here again it will come out, and here you can see so many options will be automatically appear. Here you will see concentric, you have to give the concentric mates here. Okay, it must be suitable, and here you can see automatically it is fixed with holes. Now try to up down, because it is already coincidence, so it will not go up or down. Okay, but it is rotating like this, see. Okay, so if you want to fix the rotate, you can fix also. Still here is showing the minus. Okay, just click this control. Okay, and here is the bolt, right? This bolt, this is the general plane, and this is the bolt plane. Just I have selected this top plane. Here I have to select the top plane here also, and here is the option, coincidence, parallel, perpendicular. Just give the coincidence, add this mate and break others, because if you will give this mate, other will be break automatically. There are two options: add this mate, over define the assembly, add this mate and break other mates, because I have already mentioned other, that's why it is showing wrong. So again, just try to create top plane, and here it is. It should be the align with this. So which one should be good? Like I think the front plane, and here is the option coincidence, parallel. Okay, just give the parallel. Okay, see, now it is completely selected the parallel. Okay, parallel to this two plane, and here you can see the bolt. Okay, here the minus in bracket minus sign is disappear. It means it is fully defined now. Now select the here is the nut, this surface, and you just select this surface. Here is the up here, just click the concentric, but it is inside. I have to make this one outside, just click and drag outside, it will come outside, okay, like this, okay. But just click down more, and here is the option, just click this surface and this surface to fix to this by using coincidence, okay. Once you click coincidence, see automatically it is now fixed, but it is still it is moving. So if you want to fix this removing again, you can use like, first you open the nut files and just select top plane and control this top plane, because it is showing perpendicular, so it is better to select top plane, and here is front plane, and automatically it will create, and just select the parallel, see. And now you can see here the bracket minus sign is disappear, it means it is fully defined. See how I am already assemble this model, okay, by using nut, bolt and flanges. But I want to give remaining here, okay. So how to give remaining here, okay. So I have to import again, okay, but no need to import because I have to give the same components, okay. So just click here, okay, and try to move here, it will not go this side, right? We cannot move here like this, but once you click the mouse left and control, then just drag this side, right side, it is automatically it will come here. Again try it, control mouse left button, keep here, okay, without removing the control, okay, without releasing the control. Again bolt, okay, how many you want, you just give like this, okay, it will automatically it will come like this, okay. So this is the way to copy the same components, okay. Control plus Z, I want to go back, and the second option is just click this, and here is the option, copy with mates, okay. The second method is, the copy and paste here, and second method is again you have to, here is the bolt, just click here, it will automatically come here, see. So this is the second way to bring another components, but just understand then, okay, once we create this bolt and nut, again we have to fix everything, okay. It is better to use the pattern. Here is the option, like, so many patterns are there, so according to this assembly I have to use circular component pattern, because this is the circular way, okay. And here is asking components to pattern, what components you want to pattern. So we can use bolt and nut, okay. Control and select bolt and nut by using control button, and here is the option like direction, which direction, okay. So I want to use this circular direction, and try to give equal spacing, and give the number of components, how many number do you want. So actually there are 336 total, okay. So I have to 6 here, I have mentioned 6, and by equally I have given a 360 degree, so equally it is fixed here. If it is like random value, and if you cannot use 360 equally spacing, just untick this one, and you have to give the angle, okay. So 360 by 6 if you give, then automatically it will create like this, okay. And here is the direction 2, so no need to use direction 2 options, and just click done, and here it is, the finally I have assembled this all models together. So this is a way to use mates and this assembly files. Okay, I just want to go back. Okay, so actually I have selected directly this and the mates automatically appear like this. Once you click this control, okay, control and click this, and here you will see automatically the mates will be appear here. The second way is to just click the mate. Okay, the mate, here is the features will be open, all tools will be appear here. Okay, mate types, coincidence, parallel, perpendicular, tangents, concentric, lock. So these are the basics, these fives are the basics mate. Okay, here you can see the standard. Once you go the advanced, there are so many advanced mates are there. I will explain in another videos. In mechanical analysis, so many different mates are there, so it is better to understand from the beginning like standard mates. And I have used coincidence, parallel, perpendicular, you can use whenever you need. Tangents are there, concentric are there. Okay, so once you open this mate profile, just click this surface and it will show like this, the transparent one, and click this file without using the control. Okay, once you click these two, automatically it will understand, okay, what do you want to do, and it will automatically it will move. And see, the coincidence will be all coincidence here is the appear. Okay, by default, and coincidence all will be appear and it will be selected, and just click add, done. So this is the second way to use mates, and this is very easy. Okay, now go back. Okay, I just want to delete this one, and I want to control nut, I want to select this nut and bolt here. And actually I want to explain different different mates. Just select this one and select this surface, automatically it will go there. And you want to coincidence, parallel, perpendicular, whatever you want to give. Okay, parallel, so it would be the parallel with this plane. If you give the perpendicular, it would be perpendicular to this plane, and these two surfaces the perpendicular. You want to make some distance, okay, from here to here, you can see the distance. Okay, can give some distance. You want to coincidence, it will be coincidence with this plane, just click yes, and here is a coincidence, this and this is equal, right? See, so this is the way to create the mates. Okay, it is, and this assembly is very easy. Okay, so like this you have to bring all the parts here and then start using the mate to combine all of this. Okay, next video I will explain the remaining tools.